The biggest surprise ever.
Or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Here is a hazardous weather outlook.
I'm not setting it right now.
The following county, Lewis and Mason, Kentucky, and the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Pike, Ross, and Tioga. Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for northeast Kentucky, central Ohio, and south central Ohio. For today and tomorrow.
Alright, is this up to channel 6?
Please listen to Weather Radio or go to weather.gov.
Good.
On the internet for more information about the following events.
I guess they're 2-hour only.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather. All Deserts Radio. WXN69. All part of Ohio. Originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that came out of nowhere. So it was literally... Ah, man. Alright, 94-210 failed. That's nothing new. Tech America went off. This guy flipped on last minute, and he was set to channel 1. I'll set the time here in a moment. 259 went off. I just turned to HH on. Both 254s went off. K388 went off. Why didn't you go off?
Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, and mostly clear after midnight.
Not sure. Did you ever? Nope. Okay. 95.3 must not be like all relay station. Anyways, Zone Guard Plus went off. Why didn't you go off? Guess that would explain. 249 went off. 250 went off.
Clear.
And he went off. That's no biggie. That would explain. 262 finally went off. He didn't go off. I guess this is self-explanatory.
Saturday, sunny, cooler with highs in the mid-70s.
Yes, I know there is an SVA. 120 went off, and a 996 went off. TA-C2 did not go off, but that's nothing surprising because it's an old 3-channel radio, and 95.3 did not tone to SVA, so RC-200 did not get anything on it. ESP was shut off, so yeah, that came out of nowhere for me.